Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find and manage the settings section on your account on Dramawave easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you are on the home page. So go to this profile section, and then here you will find the settings. Click on it. Now as you see here, you will find the term of use. You can manage this section. Also you will find the privacy policy, accounts and deletion. So here you will find the personal data, the third-party account information, account balance, and so that's it. If you want to delete your account just from here. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.